As the GDL is no longer a recognised qualification, here at Swansea we've introduced a brand new LLM, the LLM in Law and Legal Practice. This LLM is an 18-month long course, which is a conversion course for non-law graduates and to prepare them for qualification as a solicitor. The course is spread over 18 months to allow students, as long as possible, to acquire the skills and the functioning legal knowledge they will need in order to prepare them for SQE 1. It's framed as an LLM to allow students the opportunity to obtain student finance, and during the first 12-month period of the LLM, students will undertake the same modules they would have undertaken had they done an undergraduate law degree. So it covers the 7 foundation core legal subjects. The second part of the LLM, if you like, the second 6-month period, covers the legal core practice areas, very similar to the core practice areas that students would have covered had they done the first part of their LPC. The LLM is part of the suite of professional courses we offer here at Swansea, and students on the course also benefit from all the other support and opportunities that all of our law students can benefit from here at Swansea, as well as, of course, all the support from staff and the benefits of work placements and other opportunities that are, of course, career enhancing. The fact that the qualification is an LLM is also a very attractive feature for students when they go into the workplace, and of course they will be leaving with a recognised master's level qualification, as well as being ready for the SQE 1 exam. During your studies on the LLM, we'll also be embedding into our materials and our lessons some of the style of questions that you would come across in SQE 1, so a lot of the multiple choice questions. Those resources will be embedded into your learning as well. So hopefully by the time you leave the LLM, you would be ready to undertake the SQE 1 assessment, whilst also leaving with a master's level qualification.